this: success is a progressive realization of a worthwhile dream. And a dream has to have goals, and goals can't be just vapor. They need to be on paper. This is really important. So I know, we talk about a lot of things, and I love talking about this kind of stuff, particularly during the pandemic and with COVID. This has touched all of our lives. If not us directly, it certainly has indirectly with our immediate family or friends, neighbors, and relatives. So we've all had to make a lot of sacrifices of not necessarily going to meetings, but doing Zoom meetings. There's a lot of different things out there. And I know this: 2022 is a new year. So happy new year to all of you from What the Fixed Ops crew. But it's a new year with new opportunities, new technology, and new sacrifices that we're going to have to make to be the very best that we can be, not only professionally, but personally as well, emotionally and spiritually. It doesn't just cover one thing, it covers all. If we're spiritually fit, if we're mentally fit, if we're physically fit, and we're doing the things that we need to do, that we can be the best at what we do at right and service, the best at what we can do as technicians at diagnosing and fixing cars, the best at what we can do as far as being service directors, service managers, and all the things that we have to do on a daily basis. So I'll tell you this, one thing we're going to have to do, we're going to have to be willing. So if we want, everybody talks about new goals for the year. Okay. But the thing is, the definition of insanity, Charity, is keep doing the same thing, expecting different results. So we have to do something new. And the only way to really change tomorrow is we have to do something different today. And that's really a matter of what we read, what we listen to, and who we associate with. And we need to get out of our comfort zones, Charity. Our comfort zones are a very dangerous place to be. So if we want to explore the new frontiers in front of us, we're going to have to get on it. We're going to have to actually get to the edge of our comfort zone, because that's where, if you think about it, that's where life really is. Out there, you think you're taking a risk, because there's only two kinds of fear. There's fear of what you know, which we already know, and then there's fear of what you don't know. And I'm telling you from my experience that success is really at the edge of your comfort zone. That's where you meet the people and the challenges, and you tap into the inner resources that you need to go to the next level.